Hi everyone, it's Maria here, makeup artist and green beauty expert. Welcome to my bathroom today. I want to go over the anti-aging routine that I do in the morning and in the evening with you. So pretty much my concerns as I am in my early 40s are wrinkles. I have a very expressive forehead. So deepening of wrinkles is one concern. And then of course, some sunspots would be another concern. I always use Canadian products, but I have started, dabbling with some more active products with clinical, results. And these would be the products from The Ordinary. So I'm going to go through which ones I use. And of course, I use them in combination with my more natural green Canadian products. So I'm going to go through my evening routine first and remove this makeup that I have on today. And then after that, I'm going to show you what I do in the morning, how I take care of my face in the morning. They are two completely different things. So what happens at night and the products I put on at night are not the products that are going on my face in the morning. So let's do it. Okay, so it's early in the evening now and I want to remove this makeup that I've been wearing today. So I want to remove it. Usually what I love to do in the evening is remove my makeup with an oil cleanser. So today I'm going to use Helena Elaine's Mandarin and Chamomile cleanser. This cleanser smells amazing. It has minimalist ingredients. It's 100% organic. So the way I like to use my oil cleanser is by first steaming the face and then kind of allowing the oil cleanser to penetrate deeper. After the pores are open, it actually removes all impurities. Some people will take the, the oil cleanser and just put it straight onto their skin without having it dampen. But I really, really love steaming the face. I think giving it a bit of steam is very, very healthy. You can do this with a few different ways. Fill up your sink with some hot water, drop a couple drops of eucalyptus in there, put a towel over your head and just breathe in and let that steam 5 minutes, or just take a face cloth. I prefer dark face cloths. Get it nice and warm and then just press it onto your face. I find this action to be very relaxing for the facial muscles. Then you're going to dip into your oil cleanser with a little spatula. These products, a lot of these oil cleansers are waterless, so you don't want to be adding any water with your damp hands. So I'm just going to take a good amount. I have a lot of makeup on today. I'm going to massage it into my hands, and then I'm just going to start with the eyes. Just give your face a really nice massage. Don't forget your neck. Your eyebrows, especially if you wear eyebrow color. Your lips. And of course the mascara, which is going to be the most stubborn. So just very, very gently massage it. You don't want to be breaking off any eyelashes. The steam on the face cloth helps soften up the mascara, and it's another reason why I really like doing the steam. Okay, now this oil cleanser is full of amazing butters, nourishing ingredients for your skin. So you could actually leave it on like this and go and watch Netflix or check your email, do something and give these oils some time to penetrate. Sometimes I like to do the back of my hands and just leaving the oils on there, especially if I have any excess. Okay. And after you leave it on for about 10 minutes, go back in, warm up your face cloth and take it all off. Now be very gentle with the face cloth. If you have something that's microfiber, that would be good to use too. Okay, and there we go. And the makeup is off now. Now, if you wanted to do a deeper cleanse, maybe once or twice a week, you could go in and use a foam cleanser. Zyderma makes a beautiful one, or you can use a milk cleanser. You can use a lighter type of cleanser and do a deeper cleanse. I'm not going to do that today. I'm happy with just my one oil cleanser. Now that my face is cleansed, I'm going to go in and I'm going to give it a nice mist. I'm going to use the Helena Elaine Nourishing Rose and Frankincense facial mist, which is one of my favorites. And the reason I like to do this is because I want to introduce a lot of hydration on the skin. I want to dampen the skin up again. And then I'm going to go in with the Nourishing Rose and Frankincense Hyaluronic Serum. Now, this is a water serum, so I'm going to put it on first. And usually one little squirt is all you need. Hyaluronic acid carries about 1,000 times its weight in hydration. So seriously, once your face is damp, you can just spread that stuff. Don't forget your neck and your chest here. You can also go and give it like a little light tap after you've spread it. But I'm not going to wait around for all of this to absorb, okay? I'm just going to tap it in and I'm just going to follow up with my next product. This is my Retinol product that I started using. I'm not that far into it, you can see, but I've been using it for a few weeks now and I'm very happy with it. So this is the Retinol 0.5 in Squalane by The Ordinary. And I do feel that when I apply it and I, wake up the next morning, that I notice a difference with, the lines being minimized on my forehead. So before this hyaluronic serum is completely absorbed, I'm just going to add a couple of drops of this and I'm just going to press it into my skin, focusing on the areas that I am starting to see those deeper lines, and that would be, like around the eyes, although crow's feet, not so bad, but perhaps, the 11 line, or between the eyebrows, let's say, and then the forehead, okay? Now I massage this and I press it in. Okay, don't forget your neck if you are concerned with crepiness and lines on the neck. And of course, the top of your chest. Now, this retinol product is best used at night. Please use it at night because it does make you sensitive to the sun in the daytime. Of course, you should be wearing sunscreen regardless. But the box says, right, apply a small amount on the face in the PM as part of your skincare regimen. And you do this after water-based products, but you do it before anything heavier. So I've done the oil and kind of pressed it into my skin. You will see that it's not too greasy. It absorbs really, really quickly. This is a water-free solution, right? So it's like a rich oil. So do not use it with any other retinoid treatment. So check the rest of your products in the evening. Make sure you're not using another product, a cream or something like that with retinol. And then you have to avoid unprotected solar exposure. But so far, I really love this product. And I mean, look at my skin. I'm not even wearing foundation right now, right? I'm extremely happy with this product. And then if I felt like I needed a bit more, I would go in with my Helena Elaine Nourishing cream with the rose and frankincense. And where did I put my spatula? Oh my goodness, here it is. Okay, so I would go in, again, waterless product. You're just going to take a tiny amount of this because these are very dense and concentrated. And you're just going to warm it up between your hands. The scent of these is just divine, the rose and frankincense. And just a tiny bit, any excess can go on the back of your hands, including the retinol, okay? And then just give your skin a nice massage. Massage your jaw next to the ears. Especially here, we get really tight. And just be gentle. Do a tiny bit of enfleurage, always upwards, especially where you don't want the wrinkles to kind of droop around the eyes. And there you have it. That is my evening anti-aging routine.